Hello and welcome to Ducalis. In this video tutorial, you learn basics, how to add issues, create criteria, and add teams to start evaluating so that you can stop juggling too many tasks and focus on important ones. So first of all, you add an issue, add details of the issue, that is the name of the issue. And then you can add the description of the issue, what the issue is about. Then you add some attachments by just dragging and dropping files or selecting it. Then add an assignee, the type of the task, the status of the task. And you can also add a level and then you save. And you can import issues from a CSV file by just dragging and dropping it to your board. And then match the data rows of the CSV file with the Ducalis board fields and take all the information that you want. And then you click on preview. And then you can check if everything you want is there, and then you can add it, and then you complete the import. And these are your issues. But if you created a board from the Ducalis landing page by choosing a frame and using the template, and you don't want the test files, you can remove them, and then you click OK, add issues manually, or you can import from a CSV file. And then you can click on the criteria _ formula settings, and in this window you'll find a default template with criteria and set of teams. You can add this criteria, maybe change the name of it, the impact, the weight, the scores, even the description. You can also delete it. Or if you want to create a new criteria, you can just click on add criterion, start adding the details, that is the name, the impact, the weight, the range of scores. You can adjust the range of scores or use score presets. Add a description, and the description should be as precise for an accurate evaluation. Then after the description, click save, and then you start making teams that evaluate the criteria. Add users for collaboration, and you add team member, and then you start adding your team members. Or you can click on invite, send an invitation link via email, assign a role to the team member, and then you send the email, and then just wait for the user to accept the invitation. Then click on board users and team settings to adjust or manage teams and members, create more teams, add more team members to these teams, or you can send an invitation link via email, assign a role, and then to start evaluating, click on assessment grid, using description of the criteria as the guide, and work with your team to decide on which project issues to prioritize according to their value and input. And voila, you've evaluated. Click on top priorities to see the result of prioritization. Prioritized issues are marked with a star, which is on the left, and then the total is under total score. And then you can change the number of prioritized issues by the board, adjust, maybe increase or decrease. And these are your board top priorities. To exit Ducalis, you just click Ducalis icon and then exit.